Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having an amazing day. It's your boy Jay back again with another moto vlog. It's been a while since I've done an actual moto vlog with just my thoughts. So let's see how this goes. The last time I attempted to do a review on the R7, it started to pour rain on us. So this time, honestly, we have a good chance there's no rain today, so we can do a good, decent-ish review on the bike. Now, I'm going to title this the 3-month review because I wanted to do this at 3 months. However, we're nearing the end of the 4th month of ownership on this bike. As you guys know, I bought this around Christmas time, like a week before Christmas. So it's been about 4 months of ownership, and man, I am enjoying every little moment of it. I'm learning with the bike as I go, and it's a beautiful bike to enjoy as a daily commuter, as a little fun toy to get around. It has enough power to get me from A to B and a little bit extra on those back roads on an enclosed course, of course. What's up with all these Amazon Prime events all at once, eh? Anyways, yeah, so we're having a good old time. This bike's been amazing. It's been good on fuel. We need to go fill up a little bit right now because it is running low. So overall, the R7 is an amazing bike. It's fine. It has enough power. There are sometimes, to be honest, I feel like it needs a bit more power, but at the same time, there are days when I'm like, why do I even think that it has more than enough for me to get around with? It's usually around those times where I get that go fast bug. It's usually around the time when I get that go fast bug where I just want to like push the bike a little bit more. I feel like, oh, it needs more power. But honestly, it has more than enough for everyday use. Main caveat, the main issue would probably be because I'm a bigger dude. Riding, my knees sometimes gets a little bit tight or sore after like commuting in stop and go traffic. My right knee on the brake a little bit, so at every light I need to like stretch it out a small bit. But that's a rider issue. That's not a bike issue. The bike's perfectly fine. Oh yeah, the thing is the exhaust. I was worried I would be pulled over many times for it. Haven't been pulled over once, and I really enjoy it. I think my neighbors don't though, because when I'm commuting to work, I started up at like 6:30 in the morning, 6 a.m. and I don't think they enjoy that. They already did like the Marauder, and this is much louder than the Marauder. So it is what it is, I guess. It is what it is, guys, eh? Handling wise, suspension wise, bike's amazing. It's good. It seems like I bought the bike with most of the mods already done that it needed to get done. There's not really much like performance wise that you get done to the bike. It does seem like it is tuned, because I thought it was burning lean. I think that's just from commuting in town, because I went to Vancouver, which is like an hour and a half away from my town, like an hour to an hour and a half on the highway commuting, and I didn't even burn through a whole tank going there and back. So I feel like it is tuned. A friend of mine did recommend a shop, which I'm probably gonna go to in like a month or two, and the bike hasn't been giving me any issues, so I feel like it is tuned. It's just a smaller tank, which is why I'm a little bit paranoid about the fuel. I love how the exhaust backfires, it burbles a little bit. I love that, to be honest. Let me quickly fill up and I'll be right back. Now that the Canadian elections are on, the gas prices have gone down. Like they can easily control the gas prices. They just make it expensive for us, the common folk, you know. But gas went down like 20 cents when the election started. Honestly, this can't be beat, guys. $10. $10 for a full tank. Maybe like if this tank was completely empty, like 12 to 15 bucks a tank gets me through a week. Well, not a week, maybe like 2 or 3 days of commuting. Well, 2 days of commuting. It's always a good time when you hear a nice bike go by, and then minutes afterwards you hear a police car sirens. Changing gears, shifting gears, smooth. The clutch, we're giving. I have installed out once. Well, I have installed out once, just once in the last 4 months. That was my issue. I was distracted. Brakes. I think the brakes need to be changed soon. Maybe the pads need to be swapped out. And yeah, I think I might do an oil change soon. Honestly, if I'm being completely honest, I haven't checked out anything on the dash or how to navigate the dash, see all the options on this bike. I've just been turnkey and go the entire time. I haven't messed around with any of the electronics, any any with the suspension settings. I haven't done anything, and I honestly want to do that. Maybe tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. I say I will, but I don't know. As you guys know, I say things, but then I might never actually get them done. That car was actually flat tire there and abandoned. But yeah, the suspension handling wise, perfect bike, man. The seat, not uncomfortable. Oh, I wouldn't say comfy. It's just a big piece of plastic or leather. But it is fine. It's fine. It's nice. Gets the job done. Brakes need to probably be swapped. The mirrors are nice, but with my big body, I can't see much unless I actually move my arms out of the way. This one I can see a little bit. This one I really can't on my right. So it is what it is for that. I get paranoid about my waist bag, but that's not about the bike, man. I need to stay focused on the bike. So anyways, the bike is completely fine. The fuel mileage is good for what it is. I have no complaints. No complaints about the bike. Maybe power, but that's when I have that go fast bug, which I need to keep in check. It's honestly fun, man. It's a nice bike. It's a good bike. I would definitely recommend this as a first bike, or a daily commuter second bike if you don't want more power. It has more than the Marauder, so it's good there. Alright, I'm gonna end this video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I don't know, actually I'm not gonna end it here. I need to like actually do a walk around of the bike, man. I'm trying to find a good spot, some farmland area. Just enjoying the weather, enjoying the scenery, some of the country roads, and these massive houses. Just look at that verbal, that backfire, man. Holy. I just love it. Just love this thing, man. It's absolutely amazing. Let's see, empty, go, go, go. Grass clippings on the road, you gotta be careful of those nowadays too if you're going on the back road. These grass clippings can cause you to slip and fall over on your bike. Definitely gotta be careful on those. Literally no one in front, no one behind. This house is nice. So honestly, yeah, I don't have much else to say, to be honest. I have no complaints on the bike whatsoever. Like, it's an amazing bike. I've had it for over 4 months now. And yeah, one thing I would swap out soon is probably the windshield for a black one. For a tinted one, we'll probably do aesthetic mods now, to be honest. Oh, there are fairings I want to get for this. If you guys know Monster fairings, I am in love with the red carbon fairings for this bike. As you guys know, my color scheme is black and red. My colors for my bike and my personal brand is black and red. So like, the blue bike is different. It's different, right? I like the blue. The Yamaha blue, or the Yamaha purple, I believe it's purple. The Yamaha purple. You guys tell me whether it's blue or purple. I have no knowledge about their iconic color, but I know this is their iconic color, and I'm slightly colorblind. So blue and purple, I sometimes get them mixed up. But honestly, no complaints on this bike whatsoever. It's a really nice bike. So I'll turn around here. This is where I got to turn around. This is where I took a picture of the Marauder a while back. This bike's been amazing. I have no complaints on it whatsoever. It's a beautiful bike. It handles well. It gets up to speed well. Performance wise, it's perfect. It has pretty much everything I need. Only thing I would upgrade is the suspension and maybe aesthetic mods, a nicer chain, stuff like that. This is a brand new chain, so that's probably in the future, but not right now. But yeah, that's the R7, guys. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go and record another motovlog or two. I have a busy week, so I'm just trying to push them out as fast as I can. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next video. All right, see ya.